advised, we're pushing up onto the third floor from the shady side. Got a second team doing a re-clear of the basement and the first floor. How copy? 7-1, contact, shot fired. Okay, 7-1, shot fired. Give me additional resources, third floor.
Resources to the third floor, 1054.
Come on, we got a guy barricaded actively shooting at SWAT operators. Operator shot. Guys, we got one operator shot at this time.
Third floor, contained in one room. One operator down.
We have eyes on the door. We have one operator hit high in the arm. Like that up to put a gun on this. We have one operator hit high in the arm. We have a tourniquet. That's all I got right now. Shots were still going off when I came out of the room. Believe he's still alive. All right, be advised, technology is black at this time. We're treating this as a barricaded gunman. We're going to work the problem. How copy? Spontaneous negotiations, ongoing communications efforts to get him to come out, telling him we're not coming in.
All right, he's given orders to crawl out. He's not done so yet.
All right, be advised, we have a suspect giving us hands and view from negotiating surrender at this time. All units, hold what you got.
Suspect saying his name is Rob Bowers.
He says he's carrying an AR-15 and a Glock at this time. AR-15 and a Glock, which matches our magazines on 1, 4, 1, and 2. Working the problem. 7-1, clear the air. We have a surrender in progress. Suspects crawling out at this time. Clear the air.